Welcome. If you're looking to keep your Discord app updated with the latest messages and notifications without constantly refreshing, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to enable auto-refreshing on Discord, straight from your Android device. Let's jump right in. First, grab your Android device and head over to the settings. You can usually find this app in your app drawer or on your home screen. Once you're in the settings, scroll down until you find the Apps section. Tap on that to see a list of all the applications installed on your device. Now, locate the Discord app on the list and tap on it. This will take you to the app's info page where you can manage its settings. Next, look for the option labeled Mobile Data and give it a tap. This section will allow you to configure how Discord uses data while you're on the go. Finally, you'll want to toggle on the Allow Background Data Usage option. This ensures that Discord can run and refresh in the background even when you're not actively using it. And that's it! You've successfully enabled auto-refreshing on Discord. Now you can stay connected with your friends without missing a beat. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy chatting!